In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wireframe in Lucidchart. This simple guide will help you navigate through the process, even if you're new to wireframing or Lucidchart itself. So, let's get started from scratch and transform your ideas into visual designs. First, we need to access the home page of Lucidchart. So, open up your browser and go to the Lucidchart home. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the New button, which is typically prominent on the interface. Clicking on this button will open up a world of templates and starting points for your projects. Now, hover your cursor over the Lucidchart option. You'll be presented with a few more selections, allowing you to choose the best course of action for your project. At this point, we're focusing on templates, so your next move is to click on Create from Template. Selecting this opens a selection of template options tailored to various design needs. Next, in the search bar at the top, type wireframe. This will refine the library, showing you relevant templates for wireframing, among other choices. Our focus today is on creating a website wireframe, which is particularly useful for web developers and designers to plan the layout of a web page. Once you find the website wireframe option, click on it. This specific template is user-friendly and offers a structured approach to design, ensuring you cover every essential page element. Then, hit the Use Template button. This begins the customization phase, where you can really start to make this wireframe your own. The template will load into the Lucidchart editor, a versatile platform designed to support both beginners and seasoned pros. In this space, you're free to modify and tailor the wireframe to suit your project's needs. You can adjust layouts, change font sizes, add or remove sections, and even use drag and drop features to rearrange components effortlessly. Remember, the beauty of wireframing lies in its flexibility. It's a preliminary blueprint that allows you to iterate and adjust without committing hours to a final design. Feel free to explore different concepts and ideas, as Lucidchart's interface is designed to keep things intuitive and accessible. Through these steps, you've not only learned how to create a wireframe in Lucidchart, but also how to utilize one of its fundamental tools for visual planning and design. Whether you're working solo or collaborating in a team, mastering wireframe creation in Lucidchart equips you with a powerful skill for efficient and creative web design. So, dive in, experiment, and watch your ideas come to life with clarity and precision.